March 28, 2021. We had that week-long storm at the beginning of March, and since then we've been pretty much above zero, above freezing every day. Snow has been melting steadily. Snowbanks have gone down. Because of where we had the snow, we were fortunate enough not to get any flooding near the house. We had some water on the other side of the barn over there where I got the storage for the snow. We're expecting about a foot of snow, 30 centimeters or so. It's just starting to fall now. So I guess this is the before and after video. I'll probably be filming tomorrow or whatnot. Don't know how you guys are doing with your snow, but it's not done here. Have a good one.